Yeah, man!
Hello, my name is Miguel, and today I'm gonna make for you stinking toe oats coconut milk cereal. So you're gonna need 2 pods of stinking toe, 2 cups of oats. I like to use old-fashioned oats, 50 grams pack of coconut milk powder, grinded nutmeg, raisins optional, ripe banana optional. And I'm using 2 cups of water. Visit JamaicaDinners.com for the recipe. To remove the stinking toe, all you need to do is to hit it hard with a hammer. Do what I'm doing. Just take a hammer, hit the narrow part of the stinking toe pod, remove the stinking toe. Hit here. That's what you want. This is what the stinking toe fruit looks like close up. It's easy to flake. You just use your finger and flake it apart. It's soft. And it's not that funky. There are 3 up to 5 seeds in a pod. Go through carefully, use your fingers and feel for the seeds. Break the fruit apart from the seed. Remove the seeds. Do what I'm doing. Patiently go through and feel for the seeds and remove the seeds. After that, go through with your fingers and make sure there's no seed in it. Next, add 50 grams pack of coconut milk powder. Add 2 cups of water. You may use 2 cups cow's milk instead. Stir it in thoroughly. You can always cut this recipe in half. If maybe you just want a cup, you can always use a cup of everything. Just cut everything in half. Try and mix it as smooth as possible. However, don't worry about it. Remember, this is a cereal, so little of the stinking toe clumps is okay. Now, measure and add 2 cups of oats. I like to use old-fashioned oats. Add it to your mixture. Mix it in. Alright, you gotta allow the cereal to sit for between 20 minutes for the oats to get soft. I'm using 1 handful of raisins and ripe banana. So do what I'm doing. Peel the banana, and slice it, or cut it in little wheels. Normally I would just eat this cereal out of a big bowl, but for presentation purpose, I'm just showing you this part. I am doing this part just to show you. This is Stinking Toe Oats Coconut Milk Cereal. Visit JamaicaDinners.com for the recipes. Subscribe, like, and share. You should try making the cereal yourself. Give us feedback when you do. Stinking toe, oats, coconut milk, cereal. A good energy booster cereal. Men, eating stinking toe regularly alleviates prostate problems. The stinking toe in the cereal flavors chocolate a little bit. Remember, allow the oats to soak for 10 between 15 minutes. The aroma reminds me of the scent of a health store. To get a stinking toe smoothie, put all the ingredients in a blender and blend it smooth. Blend it 1 minute between 2, smooth. Until next time, later. Yeah, man! After eating this cereal, just now, while doing my daily run, I felt energized. While doing my last set of run, my mind chipped in and said, you could go faster. So I did. When I finished, my breathing was not hard. I'm just sharing it with you.